I know. Okay, so we're microwaving tinfoil. It's gonna be really bad for my microwave. My microwave's gonna get cancer. Just like my dick. What?
What the freak?
See, oh my God.
Don't let it go. It's not gonna do it.
You better do it. We're on camera. We're filming. We're rolling. We're rolling. We're rolling. Oh, I saw it spark. I saw it spark.
Yeah, we gotta fix it.
Is it hot?
No. Just.
Maybe it's not like.
Alright, now I heard that.
Okay, we're gonna turn off the lights.
Oh yeah, now we gotta restart it.
Oh my God! This is running my microwave.
Hold on. It only does one big one. Here, we'll do another one. Here, hold that. Last one.
Microwaves really scare me now. Can you see my face?
So you crumple it up.
So you crumple it.
Not too hard though.
Not
So there's like gaps in there.
Set it in the microwave. Go on high for... Okay, you're ruining it, microwave. Okay. For 30 seconds, and we will roll. Okay, you can see it sparking.
Oh god.
That was 3 big ones. You lie.
No, not like the big one we just saw.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, even bigger gaps.
Okay, apparently even.
Look how big that is.
Look how big that is.
Now it's gonna work really good.
You can hear it. Spark!
Oh god.
Spark off!
Please tell me that wasn't it.
No, that wasn't it. Okay, we're doing science. Microwaveable science. I'm gonna flip you over. I'm sorry!
Don't flip it over.